Hello, welcome to Modern Life Hacks. So today, by the end of this video, you'll become a pro in threading yourself. Wow, isn't it a great feeling to be able to thread whenever you want, wherever you want, and as much as you want. And all you need will just be a piece of thread. Make sure you use 100% cotton sewing thread. It sounds complicated, but trust me, it's not. Take this length of your forearm. Choose thread that won't snap easily. Okay, I'm using this regular sewing thread at home. Tie the thread into a big loop. Tie end of the threads together. Give it a knot. Remember one thing. Always thread in the opposite direction from which direction your hair grows. Now twist one hand around, give it a good 5 to 6 twirls, and see, this is the twisted portion in between which will tug out the hair. Okay? You have to just close and open your hands. This is the threading motion we want to achieve. This motion will trap the hairs in the twisted thread and will pull them out. So basically, it's the process of opening and closing the fingers that's pulling out the hair. So let's go now. See, I'm doing my chin first. See, you'll feel the pain, that means you're going correct. And your upper lips. See the twisted portion now. See, our hair got trapped in this twisted area. So guys, this is it. This will save you a lot of time, energy and money. And your even tiny hair will get removed that cannot be removed with tweezers. So guys, if you like my video, do share, subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching the video.